Hello, if you're watching this video, go watch my recent package haul, package opening video, and tune in for more to come. September monthly package haul. I had to switch the weekly package hauls to monthly because I realized I was only posting once a month with these. Starting with these packages first. I don't like that I can't add music to my YouTube videos, but whatever. Thank you. Today. I might as well record me opening it because I don't got anything else to record for this month at the moment. I've opened everything else and recorded separate videos. I'll probably add them in here, but here goes a tan purse. I got paint on my arms and shit as well. I'm not OD on that one, but so it's a little bag, All right, what the fuck? Okay, I got it. Make sure you follow and go to my Instagram at D.oryyyy, D.or, 4 Ys, to get more details on all of these packages, because all of these are on my Instagram, and some of them are on my TikTok, and you could shop on my TikTok or in my Instagram bio. I honestly can't wait to figure out how I'm going to wear this fit, because I had it pictured in my head cute, but then when I tried it on, it wasn't looking how I expected it, so now I gotta figure it out and like piece it together and, you know, relook at it again, figure it out. ROMWE package. So let's start with this. Your girl got her pack of socks. I got my pack of socks. I think it's a pair of socks actually. Now I'm looking at it. Yep, I got my pair. It would have been cute with the fit I just had on, but I was too thirsty to wear the fit, so I did not wait for this package, because normally these packages do not come quick. This package came mad quick. Well, I'm not gonna say normally. Sometimes they come same week. Sometimes they come 2 weeks later, sometimes 3, sometimes a couple days. All of the clothes in this video is on my Instagram in either a picture or a different video, but the press-on nail set I will be doing a separate video for. I have pictures with this purse on my Instagram. You can go and see my Instagram at is D.oryyyy with 4 Ys, D.or, 4 Ys. The purse came with a long strap and a shoulder strap, which the shoulder strap was cute because it's like a little buckle belt. This purse I was debating picking from SHEIN for a collab for so long, and I finally picked it out. It's so cute to me, and I can't wait to wear it. These are my favorite pants from the ROMWE package, for real, and I finally figured out a fit for it. It's mid-regular, casual, but I thought it was cute. And I might end up still redoing the fit if I find like a hoodie, a big hoodie that looks cute with it, or like a varsity jacket that goes with it cute. I don't know. I feel like something baggy up top would be cuter with it than the fit I did, but it's on my Instagram if you want to see the fit. So I chose this purse because my great grandma loves leopard print anything, and she just passed away September, and this was supposed to come before she passed away, but you know, I wasn't tripping because obviously it was a gifted collab. I didn't buy it, and it was last minute. It was unexpected and all that. I am a little sad that I chose to get these socks towards winter and fall because they are so cute. I got to wear the white ones. They are on my Instagram, but the black ones, I don't know. The pictures for this shirt is on my Instagram at D.oryyyy, D.or, 4 Ys again. And I really like that shirt. It was cute. It gives Y2K. And the shorts that were underneath were cute. I love those. Those were one of my favorites as well, just like the jeans. But the shorts, oh my gosh, those were so cute. So cute. Pictures are on my Instagram as well. I wore them with the Y2K shirt. That was right before it. So this was the only thing in this whole like monthly video of items that I was not gifted. I bought this off of Amazon, and you could find this on my Amazon and in I'm gonna add it to my link as well in my bio on Instagram, because this camera is so cute and it's less than $200 and it clips onto your phone, and it's it's like Bluetooth basically. Like, you just gotta make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi, like your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi of the camera, and it zooms out and zooms in, and it's clear. I love it. For only $150, I'm pretty sure I spent, but I have to check again. But you can find it on Amazon. Cybershot Sony camera. I forgot the name. So this package is from RockstarOriginal, and I do collaborations with them, so I get a monthly package every month, one package of 4 items, and it's a price limit or whatever. And so I chose a belt this time. I usually choose a bunch of jeans, so this time I chose like a belt and a shirt. Oh wait, no, I chose 2 shirts and then a pair of pants. Pretty sure. Yeah, and then a belt. But I really liked everything except for this shirt, like specifically. I did not realize what it said until I took the pictures in the shirt, and now I just regret getting the shirt. Definitely not a must-have. Do not buy it unless you know you don't love God or yourself. But yeah, a lot of their stuff on their website is not really like, I don't really like it. I'm not gonna lie. But I work with them, and I like other stuff on their website, so. So this collab is I Do Care and Hot As Sheet. So it's face mask, eye mask, and face mask. And I got this collab through Skeepers, that app, if you know what the app is. And honestly, I like the face mask. Left my skin feeling nice, honestly, so. So this was the rest of my SHEIN package. It came in 2 parts, and it came a later date for the rest of it. And these items, honestly, I like these 2. I know I keep saying that's my favorite, but I can't wait to do the video for the pink fit. So I have to keep talking because I don't know how to add audio on here without getting copyrighted for YouTube videos, and I don't want to just leave the video silent for parts where I don't have the audio playing. So the pink outfit, I'm still debating on what type of undershirt to do and what shoes and stuff like that, but I think I got an idea in my head, but I'm not gonna say it just because I don't know if that's how that's gonna look yet until I try it out. But so I'm gonna have parts 1 through 5 to doing my own nails at home on my TikTok by October 10th. Part 1 and 2 should be up on my TikTok, and depending on when you are seeing this, that would probably be before you see this, like, so it'll probably already be on my page. But yeah. You're watching Dory. So the first one out of these 3 is going to be the Amazon wig that I show. That wig is going to be getting its own separate video as well. I did an Amazon review to it. You can check my Amazon profile. Link is in my Instagram bio and this bio as well. The wig was a pre-cut water wave 26-inch, I'm pretty sure, wig.
It's getting cold outside. I might have to cover. I thought I wanted, but I was waiting. I thought I wanted, but that was for sunrise.
These pants were from the Stacksolesvault, and his other Instagram page is the Royalty Brand, and it has an underscore at the end for the Loyalty Brand though. But the Stacksolesvault is spelled like how it sounds, I'm pretty sure. The beanie and the shirt are from the TheHarveyBrent brand. I love the beanies. And I love the shirt. They have the shirt in green as well. Cute. And they have the beanie in multiple different colors. You can go look at their Instagram website. This is my second gifted collab from Atwoodrope, and this one is through Shopify Collabs. And this is a bigger rope than the one before. I don't know the size measurements, but I got olive drab this time, and I got pink before, and I like this. The other one before can fit a mini Bic lighter, and then this one can fit a regular size Bic lighter. They sent these cute stickers with this package this time. So this package was from Sweet Sweat.
Sweet Sweat. Sweet Sweat.
So this package, I got 2 items from this package on 2 separate days, but in the same month. Roll-on gel sweat enhancer. This package is from TikTok. This package is from TikTok. It's a car charger that either suctions on the top or mounts to the, or clips on to the vent. 2-in-1 design, it says. I think I just said those right, but yeah, I'm gonna be posting a video to this as well soon. The button on the back is to change the LED color, the LED color lights. DIY lash extensions kit. I did this video and I'm editing it, so it will be on my TikTok. This is the waist trimmer from Sweet Sweat. This is the second part to the package of the roll-on gel sweat enhancer. This package right here is honestly my favorite collab I've ever received in my life so far. And I'm really excited about this one again. And there's 2 videos. I got the part 1 and part 2 on my TikTok. Part 3 would most likely be up by the time this video is posted to YouTube, so go watch that. This is what came inside of the kit from TikTok. You can get the you can get the kit on my TikTok. I have a video posted with the link. Hello, so I still haven't figured out what audios I could use on YouTube, so follow, subscribe, make sure you like, comment, share, and tune in for the next video.